Hey guys, John Deere John here, and we're out in central Wisconsin right now getting some food plots ready for this fall. And with me today we've got our Sportsman package. It's a 2025R compact utility tractor with a 120R loader and bucket. It comes with the RC2048 Rotary cutter and an RT3049 rotary tiller. Most common uses for this package, who we have in mind for this package is definitely those deer hunters doing exactly what we're doing today. We're going to get this food plot all set. We've got some taller grasses in here right now. We're going to mow down and then come back with that tiller and till it up and get this food plot ready for planting. If you're interested in this tractor or any other compact tractor package that Riesterer Schnell has available, come on into any one of your 14 Riesterer Schnell locations and talk to a sales rep today.